it's Chris from H9 Automotive with your Motor Minute, and this week I'm going to talk about the passing lane. Passing lane is going to be your far left lanes on your freeways. Depending on how many lanes there are, there's 3, 5, 6. The furthest left lanes are going to be your passing lanes. If there's an HOV lane, it is only an HOV lane during the morning and afternoon hours, Monday through Friday. All the rest of the time, it is your number 1 or passing lane. So when you're in the passing lane and you are not overtaking a vehicle, that's fine, you can go ahead and cruise, but if the car comes up behind you, it is your obligation to go ahead and move over to the right, allow that car to pass. Where it really becomes an issue is some folks think, hey, I'm doing the speed limit over in the left lane, that guy's speeding behind me, I don't have to move for a speeder. Well, yes you do. So, it doesn't matter how fast you're going, if the car is trying to overtake you, it is your obligation again. Go ahead and move over to the right, allow that car to pass. Doesn't matter if you're doing 90 miles an hour, guy comes up behind you doing 100, well, it's way, go. You want to go back into the left lane again? That's perfectly fine, but as soon as the car comes to overtake, go ahead and move over to the right. We all do this. It's going to be a lot smoother on the freeways, not as much dodging around, so just be safer for everybody. Hope that helps. Remember to go ahead and subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Catch you next time.